my channel, Denetralashay. If you're new, hello. This is my second video and I hope that you guys watched the first one. If you didn't, go there right now and check it out. Okay, as you guys know by the title of this video, I'm serving you guys with looks today. So if you guys love this look so far, keep on watching. But before we move forward, please hit that subscription button so you guys can keep up with me, see my new videos when I post, hit that notification bell. Yes girl, so let's get into this video.
Through the smoke in the mirror, crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.
Let go.
smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone, oh no. Smile more when you come back, smile more when I see you, smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up, smile more when I see your face, smile more when I feel love, smile less when I need to let go, let go. Smile less when I let go, you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone, no, don't leave me here alone. Smile more when you come back, smile more when I see you, smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up, smile more when I see your face, smile more when I feel love, smile less when I need to let go, let go. Smile less when I let go, but you know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone, don't leave me here alone. So keep me company, swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely, and I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say your weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate, and in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone, oh no.
Well, the question is, did you guys enjoy the video? I love this look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look as well. If you guys do decide to recreate this look, comment down below, tag me in it. I would love to see it, and I would love to read you guys' comments, so let me know if you do love this look. And you know, Easter is right around the corner, so if you guys want to look cute for Easter, this is a great look. The pink and all goes great with Easter with the glitter. So beautiful, you guys. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys would like to check out my full ensemble. Check your girl out on Instagram because I will be posting this look here on my page. With that being said, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.